guys, welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. For tonight's video, I am going to make a really easy, simple meal or because this is not a dish, I should say dinner. I'm just going to make some fried rice because guys, I really don't have anything in my fridge right now. I have a lot of meat, but I don't have vegetable, but carrots, celery, and bell peppers. So, it's a good thing I have romaine lettuce. So yes, I put romaine lettuce on my fried rice. So yes, this is simple, but it is a special fried rice because I will show you the ingredients. Why I call this a special fried rice? Well, special for me. This is going to be pork fried rice. So that's the meat I'm going to put. I wanted to put spam also, but that's too much already. So I'm just going to put pork. So I will show you guys the ingredients for our simple fried rice, but special fried rice. Simple but special. So I'll show you guys the ingredients. So I have the rice here. It's better to use the rice that is a day old or so, because for me, okay, it tastes better when it's an old rice, like a day old rice. So this is the pork. I have 4 eggs, yes, because I want a lot of eggs on my fried rice. And that's the romaine lettuce. Yes, just like what I said, I put romaine lettuce on my fried rice. And this is actually special because there is pineapple and cashew. So this is pork, pineapple, cashew fried rice. And that's celery, garlic, onions, carrots, yellow bell pepper. Did I say the cashew already? Oh yes, I did. So cashew. So the first thing I will do is cook the eggs because I like to pan fry the egg first. And of course, our seasonings. Lots of seasoning. Olive oil, chicken powder, salt and pepper, garlic powder. I'm putting oyster sauce, and then our liquid seasoning, and then soy sauce, and I'm going to put a little bit of sesame oil. So I will cook the egg first. I'm putting olive oil. And I want to wait for the pan to be really hot before I put my eggs. So now that it's like that, you can see the smoke and the egg. Because I wanted to see that part like that. And then just mix it. I'm going to season it with salt and pepper. Take it out from the pan. Then I'm going to cook the pork. More olive oil. So this one, guys, you wanted to cook the pork really well because you know it's fried rice. You don't have to cook the rice for like really long time. So I wanted to cook the pork make sure the pork is cooked when we put the rice. Is what I mean. So we're gonna cook that until golden brown. I seasoned this already with salt and pepper. Okay, now we are going to put our garlic and onions. If you are here, guys, you can smell the aroma. It smells so good. Then the garlic. Then the celery, the carrots. I'm putting the bell pepper and the cashew last. And the pineapple and the romaine lettuce. Because those doesn't need to really cook for a long time. So now I'm going to put the soy sauce and the liquid seasoning. And the oyster sauce, just a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna put salt, guys, yet, because of the soy sauce and our chicken powder. Pepper. Garlic powder. Going to put the rice. If you're making fried rice, guys, it felt like you're exercising your biceps. I'm cooking this in low heat, guys. Okay, now I'm going to put the romaine lettuce. So it's fried rice, guys, and you have all the vegetable, you have a little bit of meat, so it's a complete meal. And then the pepper and half of the cashew. The other half we're going to put it toppings. 4 toppings. The pineapple. Then I'm going to put the eggs. Then it is done. I remove it from the heat, guys, because I'm going to add the sesame oil. I don't want to cook the sesame oil. And just a little bit because this is very strong. Let's start plating. And the fried rice is served. Serving. So I'm going to put the cashew, the rest of the cashew on top. You can see something over there. And my plate is ready. Here it is, guys, our special fried rice with pork, pineapple, and cashew. And because it is so late, I am not doing a long mukbang tasting. Oh, I also made some fried chicken wings because I can. Because I was craving for some when I was thinking about my fried rice. So let's just try the fried rice really quick because the fried rice is our main attraction. And I know Chris is hungry also. That much. Let's just try some. I'll put some pineapple and cashew. The pineapple is actually really good with the rice. And the cashew is so good because it added crunch and texture to the rice. Last minute fried chicken. Comment down below if you wanna see how I made my fried chicken wings. So but anyway, guys, because it's 6 o'clock or something already and I wanted to enjoy my meal. So anyway, guys, happy eating. Comment down below, guys, what do you put on your fried rice? I know it's just a simple fried rice, but this is my version, so I want to share it with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again later on our next video. Bye for now.